not predicting any such thing, but we did use the word may, if you'll notice in our statement, and it said if the 2023 polls fail to improve upon past elections, Nigerians may lose faith. And I think it's important to recognize that. We wanted to make sure, though, to be clear about how serious this work is. The work of running free and fair elections is really the only way to establish the legitimacy of elected officials. And that's why this work is so crucial, and that's why we care so deeply about it, as I know Nigerian civil society does, and all of the stakeholders that we've met with. So we wanted to make clear how serious this work is in the lead up to the 2023 presidential election. Sir?
We begin to hammer home the message to every Nigerian that by selling your vote or by buying someone else's vote, you could end up in prison for a full year or have to pay that huge fine. I think it will be a deterrent.
I think it involves everybody pulling in the same direction, right? Media, civil society, government, law enforcement, the judiciary. Leaders at all levels of Nigerian society should be calling out the corrosive impact that vote buying has. It literally corrodes the trust that people have in their elections. Of course, lying at the root of much of this is problems related to poverty.